Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how to apply slow zoom in CapCut PC. If you don't want to apply any effects and how you can do it without effects, let's do it. First you need to put the video to the timeline. So the next step is go to the video section and under the basic, here is the starting position. You can see that the scale is 100%. You need to click on this diamond button and also fix the position by clicking on this diamond button, and now click on the position of the video where you want to zoom in, and now click on the duration of the video where you want to apply a slow zoom in, and increase the scale position to 300% and click the diamond button and also fix the position, and now play it and how it works. Play it, and here you can see that the slow zoom is applied. This is magnificent effect. There is no need of any other effect. Simple, just you have to play with the keyframes. This is so simple. I hope now you have learned, and if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.